In today's video, we will take out the passenger front door panel of 2022 Nissan Maxima. Using a thin screwdriver, we will take out the cover for the interior door handle. Behind the cover, there is a screw and we will take it out using the Phillips screwdriver. Using the same thin screwdriver, we will pop out the edges of the door switch cover. Once the edges are out, now it is easy for us to take it out completely. There it has a plug inside which we need to pull out. Right besides the door switch cover, there's a tiny spot holding a screw. It is covered with a plastic piece. We take out the cover using the same thin screwdriver. Once the cover is out, now we take out the screw. We slightly pull the door liner from the bottom, making sure it's losing its grip, moving it up and down until the time it completely pops out. There is one plug inside the door which we need to take out, as well as the interior door handle wirings, one for the lock and one for the handle. The wiring at the end belongs to a light inside the door panel. We actually take it out from the front using a thin screwdriver. Once the cover of the light is out, we need to take out the plug for the light itself. And that was it. We ended up taking out the door panel completely. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Here's the section where you can watch our other DIY videos. Feel free to take a look at them and we will catch you in the next video.